Okay guys, mag-create tayo ng QR code sa guest. After natin mag-fill out doon ng forms, tapos mag-create tayo ng QR code. Ayan na. So, importante po yung QR code kasi hindi makakapag-activity yung guest kung wala itong QR code. Ang purpose po ng QR code is para i-check yung how many guests yung mag-activity. And then, if ever na may mga complaints yung mga guests, in the future, hindi nila magustuhan or na-scam sila, at least nandoon yung pangalan ng tour guide or tour coordinator na nag-assist sa kanila. So that's the purpose of QR code dito para mas easily ma-identify yung mga bugos, scammers, and stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's our VIP guest all the way from USA, and that moment, pinibriefing ko na sila prior kami pumunta or mag-island hopping tour para at least aware sila kung ano yung mga do's and don'ts ng island hopping tour.
Ayan na po yung ating mga VIP guests. Nakasakay na po sila ng boat na ating sasakyan. Ang kaganda sa ating boat ay meron siyang net. Kaya pwede kayo umara anytime you want.
Hindi na ako sumama sa private island hopping ng guest ko because ako yung nag-prepare ng kanilang kakainin na Boodle Fight setup. And nandyan ako ngayon sa aming location sa Tambisaan Beach. Kung makikita ninyo guys, it's beachfront at yung ating location is very kubo, island vibe, very maaliwalas at very comfortable.
Tara! Welcome to our location here at Tambisaan Beach, Boracay Island, Philippines. And as you can see, ayan, this is our Boodle Fight setup we created for, ilan ba? 6 beautiful, amazing, all the way from USA! Pakita natin. Ayan sila. Meron ba kayo nitong fountain? Wala! Char. Also, yung guest natin is nag-birthday. So, meron tayong pa-cake for them. But additional po yan if ever na mag-request kayo ng cake. So, this setup, mga Kailanders, is an absolutely amazing created for you guys. If you wanna book this, mag-message na kayo sa ating Facebook at Instagram page, Luxury Sports. Ayan o. Kung gusto nyo ma-experience yan, that Boodle Fight setup is only for 1,000 pesos. Just po yan, we have plenty of fruits, we have plenty of seafood, mga Kailanders, name it, we have it. Our official water, Evian bottled water. So ito po yung aming official water dito sa Luxury Sports kasi we want something to experience ng aming mga guests na yung unforgettable na masasabi nila na wow, para nag-exceed yung expectation namin. At saka syempre, water is life. So may mga guests din tayo na medyo sensitive yung mga tiyan. So kailangan talaga natin i-make sure na happy, satisfied at safe, especially yung kanilang kakainin. That's why we have this water.
After ng 4 hours tour ng aking mga VIP guests ay agad na kami dumiretso sa kanilang lunch area, mga Kailanders, diba? Super nice. Ang ganda ng aming location. Hindi siya putyo-putyo, diba? Very kubo lang yung aming vibe dyan. At kung nakikita ninyo, sobrang tuwang-tuwa at gandang-ganda yung ating mga VIP guests sa kanilang Boodle Fight setup. At sinamahan ko nga si Mommy kasi nasi CR daw siya. So ganyan kami mag-alaga sa Luxury Sports. We want to make sure na everything is organized, naka-set up na lahat. Yung wala nang alalahanin ba? Ganyan na ganyan kami. So ibinaba ko muna yung aming Boodle Fight setup para of course picturean bago gibain. At ayan na po, nakabalik na po yung ating Boodle Fight at dyan po sila kakain sa loob ng kubo dahil naniniwala ako na masarap ang kainan pag nasa kubo kasi very refreshing yung mga pagkain at ang sasarap po. Maraming salamat Miss Christina and family for trusting Luxury Sports.